Situated 60 kilometers from the city of Chiang Mai in northern Thailand is the Elephant Nature Park. This is a wonderful place to visit when you're in Thailand. It's been in existence since the late 90s and was started by a wonderful lady named Sangduan Chailut, known as Lek, which means small or tiny in Thai. And when you see her, you'll understand why she has that name. But what she's done is create this wonderful reserve to save wounded, blind, working elephants and give them a home which is safe and comforting and full of love. A one-day visit to the nature park costs 2,500 baht per person, and all the proceeds go to obviously maintenance and care of the nature reserve. It's clearly a worthy cause and attracts large numbers of tourists who spend the whole day there. In fact, you can stay for multiple days as a volunteer and really get into the program and contribute to the upkeep and care of the elephants. As it is, you get lots of touchy-feely time with the elephants, as you can see in these videos. You're right amongst it. You get to wash them and shower them and play with them and feed them. And certainly it was a wonderful experience for adults and children alike. This is Lek. This is the lady who started the whole thing. As I said, she's tiny. She's certainly dwarfed by the elephants she cares for. But what you clearly see is the bond and love an affection that these huge animals have for her and she has for them.
This one doesn't like that one. So we try, she want the food. I said, I want you to kiss that one. She rather choose to kiss me. She don't want to kiss that one.
เธอมากินบะจ้างบ่เหมือนอย่างน้องเธอเลย
She don't want to kiss at all, but other elephants she kiss okay.
What happened to her?
She just got ill really all of a sudden. The baby was in here because it has an umbilical hernia.
Right.
And the mom was doing fine, then all of a sudden she just went downhill about, it was 2 days ago. And it was just amazing how quickly she started to decline. But she's kind of maintained, like she'll be really depressed and then kind of feel a little bit better. We're just trying to keep her hydrated. She's on antibiotics and a bunch of different vitamins, and her temperature is normal. She's just really weak and her intestines aren't moving, so that's a big worry, and she's not eating or drinking